So welcome back to day number 19 of the day trading bootcamp. Been slacking on this a little bit because a little bit scared of the TikTok ban in the US, so we'll see how that goes. But in this video, I'm going to talk about backtesting. I made a YouTube video about how to backtest because it's kind of hard to show you how to backtest in TikTok in the short form and also in the screen. It doesn't really add up. But in this video, I'm just going to explain why backtesting is so important, how it's changed my trading for the better in so many ways. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So I started day trading about 2 years ago, and I haven't understood how to backtest. Like this whole time, I've been studying videos. I would go on the charts and watch live price action, but I knew I needed to backtest, but I didn't really see any YouTube videos on how to backtest, and it was very confusing for me. And I've just seen so much struggling in my trading, and it's been really frustrating. But recently, I've learned to backtest for myself, and probably the past 2 months, I've seen so much growth in my trading. Every single morning, I'm getting on the charts or I'm studying a YouTube video for 3 hours a day. No live charts at all. So I'd actually really suggest you to do this, especially as a beginner, especially as someone that doesn't have a strategy or know how they want to be trading. I would suggest staying off the live market and just backtesting and journaling and studying videos. So just like a professional, like this is a profession. Remember that. You're trying to make money. This is a profession, a job. So just like professional this one's stupid, but like professional basketball players, they practice every single day. They don't just show up to the game and not practice before. That's exactly like trading. You don't just show up to the live markets and assume that you're gonna be good. You have to practice. You have to continue to practice and continue to get better at trading. Being complacent in trading is the worst thing you can do, because I saw some success in my trading when I was backtesting on FX Replay a little bit ago, and I saw some good success in my trading, and I backed off the pedal a little bit, and boom, I took so many losses in a row in backtesting, and it felt so fucking frustrating. You need to continue every day to be hungry and keep going after it. So I hope this video was enough to compel you that you need to be backtesting every single day, especially as an unprofitable day trader, especially if you don't know a strategy, especially if you don't have the market intuition that you feel you should. Backtest, study. So check out my video. I'm going to post it as soon as it gets exported on how to backtest. And thank you for watching this video. Hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.